What if you could get all the traffic you could possibly want along with a completely free autoresponder? I'm talking where you could send 80,000 emails every single month totally for free. If that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of Winter Traffic 3.0. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Winter Traffic 3.0. This is from my friend Dawood. Now, Dawood, he's all about traffic. That's all he ever does. Traffic, traffic, traffic. And this one is super simple. Basically, what he's going to do is he's going to set you up on what's called a rotator. He's going to add your link to his rotator, and he's going to give you access to thousands upon thousands of his own members on his own website. So over 35,000 people that are proven buyers that he's going to be sending your traffic to. Now, of course, sending the traffic to them is great, but you still have one other issue. You still need to have a way of reaching out to these people. And autoresponders tend to be pretty expensive. I know I spend a lot of money on my autoresponders. Now, I built my own autoresponders from scratch, and I host them from scratch. But when you're just starting out, you don't want to spend that kind of money. But a lot of people, they end up buying things like Aweber or GetResponse. Trouble with those things, they're very, very expensive. Okay, $30, $40, $50 a month. When you're just starting out, that could be a lot of money. What if you could make that totally for free? That is being a really smart entrepreneur.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes, I know. Thank you, Liz Lemon. That's very sweet of you to say. Anyway, but seriously, I put together a course where I'm going to show you how to get a completely free autoresponder. The only thing you don't even need hosting, by the way. I'll show you how to get free hosting. The only thing that you do need to get is a domain name. I'm going to show you how to get a domain name for $1.88. And I'm going to show you how to get completely free hosting and a completely free autoresponder. It actually works inside of WordPress. And I'm going to show you how to set it all up step by step, all the details that you need to know in order to create this free autoresponder. And I'm going to show you how to be able to send out 80,000 emails every single month completely, totally for free. And that is something that you're only going to get from somebody like me, who is the man in the hat. Okay, thank you. Yeah, or someone like you as well. Okay, but seriously. Anyway, besides getting you traffic from Dawood's 35,000 people, plus giving you access to my own course on how to get your own free autoresponder, I'm also going to give you yet another bonus. I'm actually going to show you how to steal traffic from other people using my InstaWritten method. This is a really cool method that I came up with. And you get the whole thing, by the way. Check out the price on this whole thing. Just so you understand how cheap this thing is. We're talking for everything included with all of Dow's bonuses, all of my bonuses. You're talking about a grand total of $12.95 for everything, for the whole kit and caboodle. Okay. Again, you get access to 35,000 leads from Dawood, plus you're going to get access to my course on how to get a free autoresponder, plus you're going to get my access to my course, InstaRip. All of this included for largely $12.95. So for those who aren't aware, by the way, actually no even less, go ahead and try to exit. Just found this out. I'll give you another $3 off. So it's going to be $9.95 then, instead of $9.95 for the whole thing. Really an incredible bargain. Now, for those who don't know the way it works here, if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. So let's see if I can formally give a tip of the hat to the product creator.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, big tip of my hat to you. Great job. This is terrific. And of course, with my bonus, it makes it even better. Grab it. You're going to love it.